আসসালামু আলাইকুম, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই ইউটিউব চ্যানেল ঘরে বসে শিখি অ্যান্ড ফেসবুক পেজ চিরিবন্দর অনলাইন স্কুল। Got it? Well, hello, I'm MD Nasiruddin, an assistant teacher of Chiribondor Model Government Primary School, Chiribondor, Dinazpur. Hello, my dear students and viewers. What about you? I hope you all are well by the grace of Allah and staying home with sound body and mind, right? And you know, a sound mind lies in a sound body, right? Good. Well, my dear students, now I will recite a rhyme, okay? You can join with me from there. If you want to join with me, please stand up and follow me, okay? Good, very good. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. This is my handle, this is my spout. When the water boiling, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. Again. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. This is my handle, this is my spout. When the water boiling, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. Okay, have a big hand. Thank you. Well, my dear students, open your book at page 95, okay? Have you opened? Good, very good. Now look at the pictures and think alone about the pictures. Okay, stop thinking. Stop. Seeing these pictures, we can easily understand that these are the images of a natural disaster, right? In the first picture we see the wind is blowing very heavily, right? In the second picture we see the roof of the houses flying in the other of the sky, right? Yes. Actually, the name of this lesson is Cyclone Aila. What? Cyclone Aila, right? And in my last class I discussed about Cyclone Aila and why natural disasters occur in this world, right? Well, I remind you again why natural disasters occur in this world. Actually, we know human beings are responsible for any natural disaster, okay? How? You can ask me how, right? Well, my dear students, in my last class I told you human beings are responsible for any kinds of disasters, okay? You can ask me how. Now I'm explaining, okay? Well, we are responsible for water pollution, air pollution, soil pollution, right? We are cutting trees aimlessly, right? And deforestation is what? Deforestation increases carbon dioxide, right? We are responsible for increasing carbon dioxide in the surface, increasing methane gas, increasing chlorofluorocarbons, right? As a result, the surface of this world, the atmosphere of this world become very heat. As a result, what is happening then? Then the big icebergs are melting in the north Atlantic Ocean, right? Near the Greenland. I told you. So, flood, earthquakes, cyclone Sidor, Ayla, tsunami, such kinds of disasters, natural disasters happening in this world. Got it? Well, my dear students, in the first lesson, we come to know that Babu's family live on the Dublachur, right? Their life was okay, but on a sudden ILS attack, their lifestyle, their houses, everything has been destroyed, right? Babu's father had a grocery shop and Babu's mother worked in a fish farm. In that time, Babul was just a baby and his sister Nipa was 6 years old, right? There are 6 members in their family, right? They live in a small house which they shared with their grandparents, okay? And this terrible event happened in 2009. Got it? Actually, it was my past lecture, okay? Well, my dear students, now I will discuss about lesson 2, okay? Well, in the afternoon, the wind started blowing very heavily, okay? All the people were very afraid. All the people of that Dublachur came back home. Also, Babul's parents, okay? Babul's grandparents also checked the emergency kit, whether the torchlight working or not, whether they have extra battery or not, whether they have first aid box or not, where they kept it before, etc., etc. Okay, because they could realize what something going to happen very horrible. Okay, that's why his parents checked this. Okay, well, in the evening they saw that the water of the river rising so high, increased so high. Okay, they became very afraid. After few moments later, they could realize the walls of their house, the trees, everything shook very heavily. It seemed it was an earthquake, right? On a sudden, they could hear a horrible sound. Okay, when they saw above their head, there were no roofs in their house. Okay, because the wind blew away their house roof. Not only their house roof, but also a lot of trees, a lot of fishes, everything. The sky was very dark. Nobody could dare to go out. But no way, they have to leave. Right? Good. Any problem? No problem. Well, my dear students, before reading the passage, we learned some new words, okay? Please have a look. Blow. Blow means प्रवाहित हुआ. Emergency means जरूरी. Earthquake means भूमिकंप. Suddenly means हठाৎ करे. Again, blow means प्रवाहित हुआ. ব্লো মিন্স প্রবাহিত হওয়া। ইমার্জেন্সি মিন্স জরুরি। আর্থকোয়াক মিন্স ভূমিকম্প। সাডেনলি মিন্স হঠাৎ করে। গট ইট? এনি প্রবলেম? নো প্রবলেম। Well, my dear students, now I will read the passages 1 or 2 times, okay? And you just follow me. Put your finger under the line, okay? Please. Attention, please. In the afternoon, the wind started to blow and people began to run for their homes, okay? Babu's father closed his shop and his mother came home. His grandparents checked the family's emergency kit. Their torch was working and they had extra batteries, okay? They put the torch, batteries and first aid kit in plastic box. By the evening, the river was rising. The winds of Cyclone Aila shook the walls of the house as if there was an earthquake, okay? Everyone was afraid. Nipa began to cry. Suddenly, there was an awful noise and the family's roof blew away. Very sad. The sky was dark, but the family could see trees flying over their heads. Grandmother still says she saw fish flying through the sky. Got it? Please. In the afternoon, the wind started to blow. Now the question is, when did the wind start to blow? When did the wind start to blow? Okay, the answer is in the afternoon. And people began to run for their homes. Question: where did the people begin to run for? Where did the people begin to run for? The answer is their homes, right? Babu's father closed his shop. Who closed his shop? The answer is Babu's father, right? Another question: what did Babu's father do? Babu's father closed his shop. Or what did Babu's father close? Babu's father closed his shop and his mother came home, right? His grandparents checked the family's emergency kit. Who checked the family's emergency kit? The answer is his grandparents, right? Another question from here: what did his grandparents do? The answer is his grandparents checked the family's emergency kit. Or what did his grandparents check? Right? The torch was working. They had extra batteries. What did they have? They have extra batteries, okay? What was working? The torch was working. They put the torch, batteries and first aid kit in plastic box. Who put the torch, batteries and first aid kit in the plastic box? His Babu's grandparents, right? Another question from here: what did Babu's grandparents put in plastic box? The answer is Babu's grandparents put the torch, batteries and first aid in the plastic box, right? By the evening, the river was rising. When the river was rising? By the evening, okay? The wind of Cyclone Aila shook the walls of the house as if there was an earthquake. What shook the walls of the house? The answer is the wind. Cyclone Ila, right? Everyone was afraid. Who was afraid? Everyone was afraid. Okay. Nipa began to cry. Who began to cry? Nipa. Suddenly there was an awful noise and the family's roof blew away. What did they hear suddenly? Okay. Suddenly they heard an awful noise. Whose family's roof blew away? Nipa's family's roof blew away. Okay. Another question from here. What did Nipa's family blew away? What did Nipa's families blow away? What did Nipa's families blow away? Nipa's family's roof. Right? The sky was dark. What was dark? The sky was dark. How was the sky? The sky was dark, right? But the family could see trees flying over their heads. What could the family see? The family could see trees flying over their heads, right? Grandmother still says she saw fish flying through the sky. The question is, who saw fish flying through the sky? The grandmother, right? Another question from here. What did the grandmother see through the sky? The grandmother saw fish flying through the sky. Got it? Well, my dear students, my time is up, okay? I have to leave now. Before leaving the class, I want to say something, okay? Attentive, please. Be attentive, please. Well, read the places again and again at home, okay? If you find any problem, just call me or give me your phone number, okay? I will call you back. Don't go outside. And finally, don't go outside, okay? Well, I'm leaving the class. I will come back again with another class. Till then, tata, bye, have a nice day.